Mastering Business English, the art of deal closing. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a key business English phrase, deal closing. This term is vital in the world of business, and understanding it can open doors to successful negotiations and partnerships. So, let's get started and master the ins and outs of deal closing together. Deal closing refers to the final stages of a business negotiation when all parties involved agree on the terms and finalize the transaction. It's the moment when a deal is officially completed, and often involves the signing of contracts or exchange of money. The ability to close a deal effectively is a highly valued skill in the business world. Closing a deal isn't just about the final handshake. It involves several steps, such as preparation, negotiation, and confirmation. We'll explore each of these steps to understand what it takes to reach a successful deal closure. It's a journey from the first contact to the final agreement. Success in deal closing often depends on strategy and interpersonal skills. We'll cover some top tips like building rapport, understanding the needs of the other party, and effective communication. These tips will equip you with the tools needed to navigate to a successful closure. Sometimes, closing a deal can present challenges, such as misunderstandings or last-minute changes. We'll discuss common obstacles and provide practical solutions to overcome them, ensuring you're prepared for any situation in the deal closing process. To help you apply what you've learned, we'll go through a few practice scenarios. These will simulate real-life situations where you'll need to close a deal, and we'll analyze what strategies lead to a successful outcome. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of deal closing and how to execute it effectively. Remember, closing a deal is a crucial skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. So, go out there and close your next deal with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more business English tips. Happy negotiating!